Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best orbital sander is probably one of the most versatile tools in any workshop, perfect for achieving a flawless finish on wood, metal, and various other surfaces. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, the right orbital sander can dramatically improve the quality and efficiency of your projects, making it an indispensable addition to your toolkit. From furniture refinishing to preparing surfaces for painting, this tool is a game changer. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Barrow 105-inch Orbital Sander. This is a 2.0 amp corded electric random orbit sander. It is designed to provide a swirl-free finish on your projects. The sander delivers 12,000 OPM, which means it can quickly sand down materials. This high speed helps you get the job done faster. It's lightweight and compact, so it can fit into tight spaces. This makes it more versatile for various sanding tasks. The built-in dust collection bag keeps your workspace clean. This feature helps to minimize dust and debris while you work. The comfort grip handle allows you to work comfortably. It reduces fatigue, even during extended use. The random orbital action provides a high removal rate. It also ensures a high-quality finish on your projects. The hook and loop system makes paper changes fast and easy. This allows you to switch between different grits quickly. What we like. This BLACK+DECKER sander gives you a swirl-free finish, thanks to its random orbital action. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, and the comfort grip handle reduces fatigue. If you're working on a detailed project where a smooth finish is critical, this is the one for you. What people say. Inexpensive does not mean cheap. The Velcro face pad is rugged and firm, and the sanding discs attach and remove easily. The unit is also small enough to fit in your hand without losing control of it. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max Orbital Sander, DCW210B. This sander features a brushless motor, designed for both runtime and efficiency. It helps you get the job done faster and more effectively. This is a great feature. With variable speed control from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, you can match the speed to the application. This allows for precise sanding control on various materials. It's a versatile tool. The low profile height allows you to get close to the work surface. This design enhances precision, giving you greater control. It's perfect for detailed work. The sander has a replaceable 8-hole hook and loop sanding pad. This design makes paper changes quick and easy. It saves you time and effort. The dust-sealed switch protects against dust ingestion, extending the switch's life. This feature ensures the tool's durability. It's built to last. The texturized rubber overmold grip provides comfortable sanding. This design reduces fatigue during extended use. It makes the tool easy to handle. The sander includes a one-handed locking dust bag. This feature simplifies dust collection. It makes cleanup quick and easy. What we like. The DEWALT 20V Max sander features a powerful brushless motor for efficient performance and variable speed control to match the application. Its low-profile design allows you to get close to the work surface. If you are looking for a sander that offers both power and precision, this one is a great choice. What people say. It feels balanced in the hand and is versatile. If you use the correct sandpaper where the holes line up so the sawdust can flow into the bag, it works perfectly. No cords getting in the way. Number 3. BOSCH ROS 20 VSC 5-inch Random Orbital Sander Kit. This sander features a pad dampening system. It's designed to eliminate swirl marks, leaving a smooth finish on both flat and contoured surfaces. This feature ensures a professional result every time. Attaching sanding discs is simple with the hook and loop system. The discs stick securely to the sander, much like Velcro. This makes changing discs quick and easy, saving you time and effort. The powerful 2.5 amp motor allows you to adjust the speed. You can easily match the speed to your workpiece and task. It offers a no-load OPM range of 7,500 to 12,000. It features a micro-filter system for effective dust collection. This system traps particles as small as 1–2 micron in diameter. The dust canister is durable, compact, and easy to detach. The kit includes everything you need to get started. You'll find a sanding pad, sanding disc, dampening ring, dust canister, vacuum adapter, and a convenient carrying bag. Everything is included to help you get the job done. What we like. With its pad dampening system, this BOSCH sander is designed to eliminate swirl marks, giving you a smooth finish. The hook and loop disc attachment makes changing sanding pads a breeze, and the micro-filter system captures even the finest dust particles. If you like a clean workspace and a flawless finish, this sander will not disappoint. What people say. The canister stays in this sander, there's less vibration, and why try me, it was well worth the cost. It collects dust very well with its included exhaust filter. Very quiet motor, and very quiet operation. It is the quietest power tool I own, among all of my BOSCH DEWALT Roy Porter cable tools. I had previously used my friend's DEWALT Finish Sander DEWALT D26441K 2.4 amp Orbital 1/4 sheet sander with cloth dust bag, and that thing was just so loud. Plus the vibration was just too much for my hands and operator fatigue was too much. I could only sand 10 minutes at a time with that DEWALT Finish Sander. I think I can go all day long with this BOSCH ROS. The soft start feature works great, although there is still some risk of swirl marks if you don't have firm control, laterally, as you start the unit. Sometimes I let the unit spin up before putting it to the work surface. I know the manual says not to, and I think it makes startup easier. The rubberized grip doesn't make all that much sense because it gets covered in fine sawdust within the first use, but hey, why not? The canister takes a while to fill up, but the filter gets covered in minutes. I guess that means the filter is doing its job, but now I see why the canister is so small. You'd never fill that up before clogging the filter first. For all you naysayers out there, let the tool do the work. I applied zero downward pressure and it worked beautifully. I cannot stress this enough. As long as you do not press down, the tool will do the work for you and make you happy. If you like brute force and tiring yourself out, get some sandpaper and do it by hand. If you like to work easily and efficiently without breaking a sweat, just let the machine do the work for you. The specs say durable and compact twist-off dust canister shows dust level and easily detaches, but honestly, you cannot see the dust level. The entire unit will get covered in dust and there's no way you can see through that thing easily. The included storage box is nice, and it has compartments for storing extras like one extra pad, should you buy one. By the way, if you need to remove lots of material, a ROS sander is not for you. Save yourself time, money and agony and get this planer Porter Cable PC60THPK 6.0 amp hand planer. Or even a belt sander, depending on your application. The planer will be quicker and cheaper than buying boxes of 80 grit paper, and a planer can leave a finish better than 80 grit anyway. Number 2. DEWALT DWE6421K 5-inch Orbital Sander Kit. This sander features a robust 3.0 amp motor. It spins the pad at 12,000 orbits per minute, making quick work of any sanding task. This ensures efficient material removal and a smooth finish. The shorter height of this tool allows you to get closer to your workpiece. This enhanced control and precision are crucial for detailed projects. It helps you achieve the perfect result. The separate counterweight design significantly reduces vibration. This feature enhances user comfort during extended use. This allows you to work longer without fatigue. Critical areas of the sander are protected by rubber over mold. This design enhances the tool's durability and lifespan. It provides a secure grip and protects against damage. The improved dust-sealed switch protects against dust ingestion. This extends the switch's life, ensuring reliable performance. It is designed for long-lasting use. It features improved dust collection with a one-handed locking dust bag. The dust port is designed to fit directly to specific dust collectors. For other vacuum systems, a universal connector is available. What we like. This DEWALT sander boasts a powerful 3.0 amp motor and a separate counterweight design to reduce vibration. It also features improved dust collection for a cleaner work environment. If you value comfort and efficiency, this sander is a solid pick. What people say. Cut sanding time by more than half. The dust bag collection works awesome, didn't expect that, big plus. Works great, dust-free sanding, easy clean filter. Storage bag big enough for sander and extra sanding pads. Solidly built quality sander. Number 1. Jellas OS 285-inch Random Orbital Sander. This sander features a 360-degree rotating base plate that ensures a natural sanding surface without leaving traces. It also has 6 adjustable speeds, allowing you to choose the perfect setting for any project, from sanding to polishing. The package comes with 18 sandpapers of varying grits, from coarse to fine. This allows you to tackle different tasks, whether you're removing paint from wood, metal, or plastic. The hook and loop system ensures a secure grip. This sander boasts an efficient dust collection system with 8 vacuum holes and a dust bag. The bag is more effective than a dust box and prevents dust from entering the motor, extending the sander's life. It's perfect for DIY projects. The sander is compact, lightweight, and wrapped in soft rubber to reduce vibration and improve comfort. Its handheld design makes it easy to operate with one hand, preventing hand numbness and reducing fatigue during extended use. The sander has a powerful 2.5A motor that reaches up to 13,000 RPM. It has good heat resistance and a cooling system to prevent overheating. Note that it's not suitable for wall sanding due to the fine dust. What we like. The Jellas sander features a 360 degrees rotating base plate and 6 adjustable speeds, giving you precise control over your sanding. It also has high dust collection efficiency, keeping your workspace clean. If you are a DIY enthusiast looking for versatility and control, this is the one for you. What people say. I used it yesterday on a door refinishing job and it worked perfectly. Problem solved, and the doors now close perfectly. No dust while operating. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.